What's the place where you see more girls that you'd like to pick up than any other place?
Honey was offended by the pickup line. Honey was offended by the pickup line. Honey was offended by the pickup line. Honey was offended by the pickup line.
If I said you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? Can I buy you a drink? Your glass is empty. What's a nice girl like you doing in a place like this anyway? You come here often, is this you taking Miss America? No? Well, you should be a model. I'm new in town, so could you show me around? Can I call you sometime? I'd like to get to know it. Your place or mine, I love your eyes. Hey, where you going?
Now, honey didn't do what everyone else does. She stood out without making a scene because she was the hottest but the most modest in a long black skirt and a shirt with a little picture of her birth. God, she played the sports except scholastic songs and academic epidemic pets. Started up a play, not a lot to lay. So all the school member now she went the way. See, honey was offended by the pickup line. Honey was offended by the pickup line. When Joe was super host and they didn't want your side. Honey was offended by the pickup line.
Cut my bangs so they don't hang, then shampoo the heat. Get the hair out of my eyes so I can
kdo te razvol? Kalo otoče.
No denying that I'm trying to undress her.
With that phony rap, you wouldn't even get near it. She wouldn't go for sugar-coated lyrics. So other girls would say, she must be gay, and call her a Lenny Dykstra. But so what? They really wanted to be just like her. Jealous? I wouldn't offend her. I treat her tender, defend her, and send her letters and such. But there's no rush and there's no baby, you're so fine, I wanna make you mine. Cause honey simply ignored the pickup line. Honey was offended by the pickup line.
Dobiš majico in lahko si oblečeš, ker si zmagovalec.
Honey was offended by the pickup line. There's no baby, you're so fine. Now the main dude really tried to make his move on her, so I'll watch and see what she would do. And honey was like, excuse me, but I'm gonna be late for my bus.
So I stepped up to her and said,
In komentar na zmago.
Super je bilo. Ne je bilo dovoljen, pa sem glupal, ne?
Nisi glupal, ker je bilo vse dovoljeno.
Ja, vse je
Kako si zmogel to težko nalogo?
Težko je bilo, težko.
Kakšna je bila strategija?
Strategija je bila ubij in zmagaj.
Ubij. In kdo je umrl?
Vsi.
Pa res, tam so ribe mrtve.
Mrtve ribe,
Poglejte te ribe, mrtve ribe. Poglejte te mrtve ribe. Poglejte ta očeta od mrtve ribe.
Leke ne more vreti.
She stood out without making a scene because she was the hottest but the most modest in a long black skirt and a shirt with a little picture of her birth. Now she played the sports except scholastic songs and academic epidemic. Started up a play, not a hard to lay. So all the school member now she went the way. See, honey was offended by the pickup line.
Dej, man, poribej to, poribej. Ja, tega, dej to kravo malo namaš, ja. To pa je. To da, ki nimam What a night.
No denying that I'm trying to impress her. With that phony rap, you wouldn't even get near it. She wouldn't go for sugar-coated lyrics. So other girls